Swim Simulator Adventures. Please don't do. Please. I'll give you whatever I have. No, I would never, ever. I will defeat you to your death. The superhero bee. You. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm trying to steal my beehive honey. I am so sorry.
Where's the red superhero bee? The Crispin.
Oh yeah, she took a vacation. I don't know why. Okay, just thank you. Just anyways, thank you. Okay. Just have fun. Ow. Okay, take him. Well, I'm not gonna. We did one more crime, then I'll take him to jail. Comment down below if I put him to jail for the next video. Bye! 2 hours later. Come on! You stupid noob. Hey! Beat? What are you doing?
Hello. You must be here.
Who are you?
I'm Windy Bee.
You're in this basket as a tornado. Ah! Dude, what did you do that for? Oh, sorry.
Well, I'm the new villain of Bee Swim Simulator.
Oh, great. Oh, come on. Come on, you're back. Who are you?
I'm Windy Bee. Beep, beep, beep.
Oh, boy. Ah! Ah! What the? Ah! Dude, that hit me. I'm putting you in jail. Hey, no. Don't blame me. Ow. I'm half in jail. Come on, Windy Bee. Let's fight.
Oh, yeah?
Ah, tornado! Stop it, the tornadoes! Ah!
Yeah. Uh-oh.
And jail they go! Woo-hoo! I zoomed in and what's going on? Nah, just nothing. Ew.
Hello, I'm Basic Bee. Make sure to play Bee Swim Simulator, and I hope you enjoy Bee Swim Simulator Adventures. Bee Swim Simulator is in Roblox. Join now.